Donating clothes at Goodwill is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, collect the clothes you wish to donate. Make sure they are clean, gently used, and in good condition. Goodwill accepts a wide range of clothing items for all ages and genders. After that, visit the Goodwill website or contact your local Goodwill organization to review their donation guidelines. Some items may not be accepted due to safety, legal, or practical reasons. Now locate a nearby Goodwill donation center or store. You can use the Goodwill locator tool on their website to find the nearest location to you. Bring your items to the Goodwill donation center during their operating hours. Staff or volunteers will assist you with unloading your donations. You may be asked to fill out a donation receipt for tax purposes. Now, if you plan to claim a tax deduction for your donation, be sure to ask for a receipt. Goodwill typically provides donation receipts that list the items you donated. Keep this receipt for your records. Goodwill often hosts donation drives and events in local communities. Keep an eye out for these events in your area as they may offer additional opportunities to donate items. In some areas, Goodwill may offer pickup services for larger items such as furniture. Check with your local Goodwill organization to see if this service is available in your area and to schedule a pickup if needed. Your donation helps support Goodwill's mission of providing job training and employment opportunities to individuals facing barriers to employment.